guys, so today we're gonna unbox a package from Shopee. Ito po ay a cooking pan because for such a long time, I wanted to have a very nice cooking pan. So yung sa akin, yung luma ko dun sa boarding house, nakita nyo naman sa previous video, is hindi ganun kaganda. So, this box has 2 items. So, hindi ko alam kung anong laman talaga nito. Basta yung alam ko, isa nito is yung cooking pan ko. Let's open it now. So, I ordered this pan about 3 weeks ago sa Shopee, sa Chef's Classics Official Store. But since it's on sale and the delivery took a little bit of time na ma-deliver dito sa province namin. So, I'm just excited to have a very nice pan. I think, for me kasi, kapag maganda ang pan mo, maganda din yung luto mo. So, it's really nice to invest in kitchen utensils. So, here it is. We're hoping na walang damage sa ating package. Naman, pag may damage. So, there was this sale. I think palagi naman nagsisale yung Chef's Classics sa Shopee. And so I grabbed the chance na makabili na ng mura. Mas mura to siya guys kesa sa mall. Sabihin talaga, salamat siya. Box looks like. Meron din ako in-order na ibang items pero hindi ko pa siya na-unbox guys. So, ito lang muna. And I'm not sure kung ano talaga yung laman nito kasi nung nag-order ako, sineperate ko. Binilang ko kasi mas makakalas ako kapag mas ma-maximize ko ang aking discount if I order separately. So, yung isang package ko is about 3 items. And this package is 2 items. Oh! So, dito pala included is first yung ating knife sharpener. So, here it is. It's an authentic knife sharpener from Chef's Classic with the Chef's Classic logo. It's made of stainless. I don't know how this works, but I just have to put the knife here in between. So I will show you another video on how to sharpen a knife later. So let's set this aside for a while. And here it is. Oh my gosh. Let's open this. It's a bubble wrap, and meron na siyang cover. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Nag-check kasi ako sa mall. Mahal talaga siya. Yung 28 centimeters, I think, is, yung 24 centimeters is 1.4 or 1.3. Top, 1,300 pesos. May nagsasabi sa akin na that's too much daw for a pan. But, for me, it's cheap already for the quality. Kasi yung pan naman, matagal mo siyang magagamit as long as you know how to properly take care of it. So let's remove, we're going to remove the bubble wrap. Meron din siyang thin styrofoam covering. And voila! So this is my Chef's Classic carbon fiber frying pan, which is 26 centimeters, and it's cold forged. Tingnan mo yung texture of this. It's so nice. It's a 3-layer Revlon tough anti-scratch non-stick by Will Burger. It's ergonomic, bake-light handle for extra durability and high heat resistance. It is cold forged for body for quick and even heat distribution, and it has an induction bottom. So it's so nice talaga. Look at the specs in the handle. Yeah, I like this. I really like the handle. Tapos, it has on the side, it has a Chef's Classic label and it's made in Italy. So, Super ganda niya, guys. I think this is gonna be perfect for frying, especially large fish. Yung problema ko kasi dati sa pan ko is nare-remove kasi mura lang naman yung pagbili ko. Nare-remove na yung white, yung black cover coating niya. I think this is nice. It's carbon fiber, so it's very, very light. Sobrang gaan niya, and it's so nice. And for me, 26 centimeters is just the right size para sa pan. You don't want it too big, and I don't want it too small either. So, parang 26 centimeters is just the right size for me. Pwede kang makaluto ng small foods, like egg, mga 1 to 2 eggs, so okay na din. And pwede ka din naman makaluto ng mga isda, or stir-fried vegetables, or you can use this also as a, ano na siya, multi-purpose pan na siya. Kasi I don't want to hope, as much as I want to have all the kitchen utensils that I need, hindi ko siya magawa kasi I'm living in a boarding house. So, as much as possible, kailangan ko magtipid ng space and buy only a few items that I can use for multiple purpose. So, this pan is just perfect for me. And yung 24 centimeters, masyado siyang maliit, while yung 28 centimeters is masyado siyang malaki. So, I went for 26 centimeters and nakatipid talaga ako ng bongga dito. So, sabi ko nga kanina, I checked this, yung 26 centimeters sa mall is about 1,399 pesos. So, it's about 1,400 pesos. But during the Shopee sale, I got it for just about 800 pesos. Sobrang naka-less talaga ako guys, including shipping fee na ha. Kasi that time, nagpa-free shipping si Shopee. So, wala! Kung hindi na naman kayo nagmamadali to replace your pan or to get a new pan, go for Shopee Chef's Classic Sale kasi super ganda ng quality nito. I know it will last for such a long time, and quality products talaga. It's an investment for your kitchen. So, I'm very happy with this pan. I think I'm in love with it actually. It's just so nice. I'm so excited to use this in my future cooking vlogs, and I wanted to share to you my experience too. Sa next video ko, ipapakita ko na sa inyo na ginamit ko na itong pan na ito.